Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to track disk usage on a Windows PC in 2026. So if your storage keeps filling up and you don't know what's using space, this guide will help you find everything step by step. First, open Settings, go to System, and click on Storage. This is where Windows shows a full breakdown of your disk usage. Next, look at the storage breakdown, so you can see apps, system files, temporary files, and large documents. Now open File Explorer and sort files by size. This helps you quickly find what's taking up the most space. So open Task Manager and check disk usage under Performance. This shows real-time disk activity. Next, use Storage Sense Insights to see what's being cleaned automatically. This helps you understand long-term storage usage. Finally, check hidden folders and large files like downloads, videos, and backups. So these often take up the most space without you noticing. And that's how to track disk usage on a Windows PC in 2026. Once you monitor storage properly and find large files, you can easily keep your system clean and fast. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Windows optimization tutorials. Hey